Ethiopians won a 4, but how are they going to stretch out? It might be Ethiopia against Kenya. It's Damisse in second place. It's Kowa in third, but Baka is fighting to keep this alive. Damisse on the outside for Ethiopia. Will he make it? Baka holding on. Damisse. Baka wins. Damisse is second. And in third place, Kowa for Kenya. Abdulatif Baka breaking the world record. Damisse so close. Damisse almost made it, but he put his arms up in the air to celebrate the second place. Kowa was in third. Brilliant. I thought at one stage he was just going to get it. He was gaining all the time, and he just lost his momentum. There. Well, I'll tell you something. I'm just wondering if he didn't think he'd crossed the line. It's funny. It was
a strange moment to throw the arms up. He's really...
Tamiru Damisse, it was a great break for the line. As he wins his silver medal in his first major championship.